Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan fried rice. The secret to perfect fried rice is using day-old chilled rice, about 2 cups, which prevents it from becoming mushy. We will also gather a vibrant mix of fresh vegetables, roughly 1 cup, such as finely diced carrots, sweet peas, and corn kernels. Don't forget our simple yet powerful sauce, combining 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of sugar. Now, let's get our vegetables ready. Start by finely dicing your harder vegetables, like carrots, into small, uniform pieces for even cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil in a large wok or skillet over a medium-high flame until it shimmers. Add the diced carrots first, sautéing them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they begin to soften slightly, but still retain a bit of their crunch. It's time to bring in the star of our dish, the rice. Add your 2 cups of day-old, chilled rice directly into the hot pan with the sautéed vegetables. Use your spatula to break up any clumps, ensuring every grain is separate and ready to absorb flavor. Now, pour in that delicious sauce we prepared earlier. Stir everything together vigorously for about 1 minute, making sure the sauce coats all the rice and vegetables evenly. For our final touches, let's add any softer vegetables, like half a cup of frozen peas or freshly chopped scallions, stirring them in for just about 30 seconds until warmed through. Now, give your fried rice a taste test. This is your chance to adjust the seasonings. Perhaps a little more soy sauce or a pinch of salt will perfect it. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh cilantro or a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for a delightful finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.